Alright guys, so today we are playing Animal Hospital. I'm not really that good at this game, but let's do it. Alright. We already got someone. Come on. Okay, you look normal. You look normal. Okay, they look normal. Wait. Check. Wait. Okay. Hold on. Why can't I? Okay, whatever. You think this person's good? I think they're good. Thanks. I'll be in room 1. Hey. Alright, guys, this person's not an anomaly. We're good. Alright. Should we go help this person real fast? Yeah, let's go. I don't want to, stalk, though, so I'm gonna wait. Alright, we're gonna go. Alright, let's see. Let's see. Okay. I got you. You good? Let's see. Okay. I was so scared. Thank you, really. Okay, God. Calm down. Oh. I have other things to do, you know? Can you... You're rude. You know what? This person's rude, bro. This person is so rude. I don't need coffee right now. As you guys can see, my stamina is already good. Look at that. Stamina is already good. So, we don't need that. Oh, wait, what am I doing? Alright. I got room 2, no problem, bro. I got you, bro. I kind of need this little key. No, I'm sorry. Bro, come on, bro. Okay, whatever. Alright, let's go get this person. They said I got room 1. Let's go ahead. You said I... Oh, it's room 2. Why can't I get over here, bro? Alright, why that goes? Let's see, do we got anyone? Nope. Okay. Alright, guys, I'm doing pretty good, bro. Maybe I am good at this game. Alright, I got you. Let's get this for you. There you go. The doctor's arriving. Oh, fudge. Alright. Guys, we need to get, insanely good at this game. Bro, why do you always say the same thing, bro? I was so scared, really. Shut up. Sorry. Okay, what do you need? Some advice. If things get strange, just keep working, okay? Wait, what do you want? I'll fix it. Oh, thank you. Oh, I got security cameras now, too. Alright, perfect. Alright, we're good. We are all good. Okay, I will get you real fast. But there's someone right there. Oh my God, there's an anomaly. my gosh, guys. They're literally just banging their head on the window. Oh my god, stop! Okay, bro. Whatever, go. Go, 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 go. Oh my god, there's another anomaly. What is going on, bro? That was... What's blocking the shutters? What do you mean something is blocking the shutters? Oh, it's that. Ew. Is that what it was? No. I don't... Yeah, no, I'm not doing this, person. What is blocking the shutters? Guys, what is blocking the shutters? Is it this? Is it that? Oh, there we go. Ha ha. Oh god, I think I made her mad. I think I made him mad. You know what? It's fine. That's what you get. Let's get this back up. And there was another person, so let's go get them. Anyway, I forget what they said, honestly. Okay, right here. Wait, this was an anomaly. Remember, guys? Remember there was slime? I mean, I guess not. There's nothing creepy in here. I don't know, bro. DNA results, shutter. Okay. Appointment and maple. Okay. He wants some. Oh, wait, no. I gotta do ointment first. Where's ointment? Ointment. 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 Right here. And then some maple syrup. Here you go, little Timmy. Alright, you can get up now, you fat son. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Alright, listen, I'm sorry. Now get up! Wow, good as new. You're amazing. Thank you. Now get out of here. Oh, security camera is broken. Gotta fix it. Oh, my bad. My bad, little Tim. You seem good. You seem good. Honestly, you seem good. There's that person. Okay. Okay. Bro, they broke the... Oh my god. Bro's head was so fat that he broke the freaking... you're so... Oh my god. His head was so fat that he broke the freaking thing. His head was so freaking fat, he broke the freaking glass. Oh my gosh. Hey. Alright. I mean, they seem good. I could let you win. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Alright, what you got? What you got? What you got? Room 2, I got you, bro. No, I'm kidding. Bro, what am I gonna do about this window? Bro's fat head broke it. Oh my gosh. Alright. Oh, I didn't mean. Alright, let's go. Let's go help this person. Alright. You have a nice time. We're good. Okay. Medkit. Oh, medkit and maple. Okay, I got you. We got both of those for you, alright? There you go. Okay, sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Oh, nobody's still here, bro. Bro, what am I gonna do about this? Have a nice time. I like the way you smell. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Nobody's here, bro. You know, I barely even need this coffee, but I'll take some, I guess. Alright. Alright. Why is nobody coming, bro? Wait, I'm just gonna make sure. Did I forget anyone, like, in any of the rooms? Oh my god, I did. Fudge. Fudge, bro. I forgot this person. Bro, listen, I'm sorry, bro. Have you seen that guy with the fat head who broke my window? Yeah, he's stupid. Doesn't he have like a fat head?
Oh, yes, he does. You know, I don't like him at all. He makes me feel gross. And you know, like, I just don't like him, you know? Like, he's really stupid. You know, like him. And yeah, so he did break my window too, so that's why I don't like him. But yeah.
Okay. And I got you. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, how you like that? How do you like that?
Actually, I don't like that at all. Could you please stop?
Why should I?
Because just stop, please.
Apparently I can't do that. All right. You have a nice time. Oh my gosh, let's go. Wait. Now I'm good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please have an amazing day. Please like and subscribe, and bye.